Hi there, this is my luck, and would anybody like a game of cards? Yeah. Wee hand of poker, some blackjack. No, this is an... Oh, my nail. My nail's still soft after dropping off and regrowing. And it's beginning to split down the middle there. Nice. I keep forgetting not to try and use my thumbnail. So here we go. IFAM. Quite flat bitting, but you know, a couple of lowish pins and a high one at the back there. So might not be too bad. It's brand new in the pack. First time it's seen the light of day since it was put in there. So it's an IFAM E-50. I better just check to make sure it all... Yes, of course it works. There we go. Nice padlock. We'll get that. Yeah, I think we'll use a vise. I was going to pick it in hand, but yeah, we'll see. I'll try and do it in hand. Can I get my hook in there? It's paracentric, so I'm going to have to try and pick off this ledge here. Maybe this hook is a bit deep for it. Looking for binders. So moderate tension. And pin 1 is now bending. So that was 5 and 2. We've dropped into a bit of a falset. 3. Oh, 3. We've lost the falset on 3. So 4. 3, 2, 1. Back in that falset. I think this hook is kind of too deep for it, so I'll switch over. A bit rubered. Two, 3, 4. I think rubered's too steep as well. Do I have a Euro Slim? Yeah, Euro hook, southward. Right, so 5. 3, 2, 1. 4. We lose that falset. Got it back. There we go, 5 was the final one. So yeah, first first pick, blind pick out of the pack. Took a bit longer than it probably should have, but then again, I always did say that my my little E-30 was probably one of the best little mini locks I've got. So the E-50 certainly lived up to expectations. There we go. IFAM E-50. Quite a nice little lock. I would hope with subsequent picking I would be a bit quicker, but there we go. Cheers for watching, everybody. Have a good one. Cheers.